In a small pot, add your instant dry yeast. Then you want to add sugar. Then you want to add warm milk. Make sure it's lukewarm, not hot or cold, and mix everything together. Set it aside for 15 minutes. In a different bowl, add your egg, then add your milk, the rest of the milk that we have, sour cream, and then your puffed up dry yeast. So just mix everything together and make sure your yeast is activated. Then finally add butter and mix everything together. You want to make sure everything has incorporated and is completely mixed in. The mixture should look just like this. Next, into your stand mixer, add your plain flour, and you're gonna attach a dough hook and then pour your wet mixture into your dry mixture and mix on a low speed until everything is mixed in. You then want to slowly keep adding the wet mixture into your flour mixture and keep mixing, and this process will probably take around 5 to 10 minutes. If you're kneading this by hand, you will need to make sure you're ready for some work. Obviously in the KitchenAid it makes it much easier. So the dough should become nice and easy and very, very soft, so it'd be nice and sticky just like that. Next, add some flour onto your kitchen surface, place your dough, and you want to knead it just for a few more seconds with your hands. Add more flour on top, make sure it doesn't stick to you. So just roll it up and down, pressing from both sides, and it's very, very nice and soft dough, very easy to work with, and I absolutely love it. Very, very delicious. So once you've folded it in several times, it's ready to go and prove. So I've prepared a nice large bowl and I'm adding some olive oil inside. You can add any oil that you have. The reason for that is when the dough goes up, we want to make sure it's not stuck and it can rise. So just spread your oil around and then add your dough inside and then twist it around from both sides to make sure it's nice and oily. And we'll leave this to proof for about an hour and a half, depends on your house and how warm it is. So place it into a warm spot. Now we're gonna make our filling. Chop up your green onion nice and fine. You can also use any other greens that you like, parsley, coriander or dill. And then once it's done, we're going to add this into our bowl. Then I'm also adding some chopped boiled eggs inside. Then add your cottage cheese, farmer's cheese or quark. You need to make sure that the cheese is dry that you're adding, otherwise it will leak. Mix everything together and your mixture is done. Once your dough has proofed, you want to take it out, cut it in half and then in half again. And then you want to take each dough and sort of pinch off a little bit of the dough and roll into a nice ball shape. These are going to be a rough size of our piroshki, so you want to roll it out. Then you want to add about 1 tablespoon of your filling inside and then pinch the dough from the top going around the edges and then all the sides until you have completely sealed your perogies. Add oil into your pan and you want to add quite a lot of oil to make sure they're kind of half deep fried. Then add your piroshki into hot oil, make sure it's nice and hot, otherwise they will stick to the pan. And you want to place as many piroshki as you can into a single pan and cook them for about 5 minutes on each side. And then gently turn them around and make sure you cook them on a really nice and low medium heat. You don't want to burn these completely. Once they're nice and golden, and it's gonna smell so good in your house, I can promise you that, you want to place them onto the paper towel and drain them completely so you don't have any fat. Then serve them onto your decorative plate and enjoy. They're so yummy, very crispy outside, very soft and doughy inside.